Yeah, that is also there. But again, how it gives you impact on your cholesterol, that is also, one has to be really regular that. Everyone has a different system. So here I will just try to go on the generalized basis. Yeah. Brain and heart. It helps. Yeah. Omega-3 oil also is coming, and milk भी आता है. Milk भी आता है, oil भी आता है. So safer side I prefer milk, because oil में वापस वो फायर पे नहीं रख सकते, उसको रॉ लेना चाहिए. तो अगर गड़बड़ हो गया तो हो जाता है. So better to give a milk only. Yes. The skin also is like for that, if you apply rose water and everything also will help you a lot. If you apply, your skin will also shine. It gives you a glow. Take a massage once a week. That would be helpful, because if massage will take the toxins and your dead skins will be come out. That is very must, because dead skins also gives you a dirtiness, clumsiness. फिर उसमें सब disease हो जाते हैं. So it is better that if you clean. Hygienic part is very important, because as we grow old, people don't prefer to take bath every day, clean the clothes every day, because they feel abhi hum budde ho gaye, kya zarurat hai. Trust me, I have that kind of the people, and I have a very nice case. 2 days ago only the person had come. The man is 72 years old and he fall in love with 43 years old girl, and he wanted to get married. So I said, wow, that's good. This is called aging with grace. So this is like, there are the people. So I'm very happy that now Indian people are also getting that charm, But poor guy, the family is not accepted, so he went into the depression. So he has to lend it to me that, it's so difficult for him to go about it. Anyway, so now we'll talk about a little water. Please drink lots of water, because water will help to flush your toxins and poisons and your body. Your colon also gets clean up. So please drink lots of water. Water must, or any kind of the liquid. Drink more vegetable soup, lighter food, juices, fruit juices. Do not mix fruits and vegetables and make the juice or soup. There are the people, they make a mistake कि वो लोग vegetables and fruits दोनों को mix करके लेते हैं, which is not advisable. Fruits वो दोनों को mix करके काफी लोग juice बनाते हैं, जैसे गाजर ले लिया, फिर एप्पल ले लिया, या अनार ले लिया, बीट ले लिया, वो तीनों का juice बना लेते. It is not advisable. Either आप juice के लिए vegetables लीजिए या fruits लीजिए, दोनों को mix मत कीजिए. Please every day eat 3 fruits. That is different time. It would be very nice. Generally, please divide your food in 5 times or 5 to 6 times on a small meals in a day. That would be very helpful. That is very good. Second thing, please plan out your day with a very disciplined way. Okay, subah, when you get up in the morning, you're brushing, your tea, your walk. If you make your plan, your day, it is really good. It will helpful for you to go about it. Otherwise, now I'll come on the mind. Your mind will start working on that, wondering what should I do, how I'll go about it. They start with the age. People will feel कि I'm worthless, कोई काम नहीं है. They feel that okay, यहाँ से वहाँ, and the house people also, family member also feel. And somewhere I have a major case that once a person gets 58, 59, they fall into depression because they generate some kind of insecurity in their mind that what I'll do after my retirement. So please have a proper retirement planning before you get retired. It is very important, because people definitely come up with that how I'll stay, my children will keep me or not, what I'll do if they will not keep me, if I'll fall in sick. This kind of the several insecurity comes in their mind, and they really go into the depression, anxiety, the stress level go up so high, and that would be really put them into the fast aging. Because stress also gives you a fast aging, and that would be really gives you a more trouble about it. There are the people, if you've seen that they are 60 but they look like a 40. And like, they always have seen that I have one colleague doctor, he is a 45, but you see him, you feel, oh, he's just 30. Regular food, he just have a home food. His food timings are very particular. Every alternate days, thrice a week, he go for a walk. Plus he climbs up the steps. Sometimes he climbs up 35 floors because of the cardio exercise also. Then gymming, he loves to gym, so he's doing the gymming. The protein is must in your food. The protein, it always helps to keep your hair fine, because with the age your hair also get thinner and scanty. So protein and calcium helps a lot for that. So that is also very important. So if you have that and proper your planning of your food, that what 3 vegetables, 3 fruits, the sabzi, roti properly, and if you have a proper this kind of the meal and everything, exercise, music, and the most important is meditation. Please, here I recommend everyone to do just 10 minutes meditation. That 10-minute meditation will always allow you to ventilate your mind from old thoughts to new thoughts, old thoughts to new thoughts. That would be helpful. Because, as you grow, you flash back, or there are the memory comes up that why this happened. And with the age, people always say that, kyun egoist ho jate hain. With the age, like, why you feel that, the senior people become egoist. Why they become angry. There are the people, they come into the common category, but they are not egoist. In fact, they become a certain kind of, and if you see, they become a stubborn. I get many kind of things. If you feel that they are stubborn, ye nahi karna to nahi karna hai. This kind of the attitude also you see in them, or their behavior also shows that. That is the reason, because of certain kind of, aging, because as you grow, your thought process go in that way ke, बहुत हो गया जिंदगी में, I will not take at anyone. Your lifestyle, your lifestyles always matter there, and you feel no. Now I don't want to take anyone's nonsense. मैं किसी का सुना नहीं. I'm now matured. I'm like something. So वो एक unknowingly आ जाता है. But here, if you have some kind of your own space, if you do a meditation, if you just go for the social these things, definitely this kind of the ventilation allows you to happen. Because when you are sitting at home more time, definitely the past memory comes in your front. Always remember that mind is work like that way. Okay, mind needs thought. Mind can't stay without thoughts. Meditation is a, like, everyone says that meditation is the state of the mind where, there is a no thought process. वो महावीर भगवान and, all that things, the very high people जो उनको years together, and the actual में says कि महावीर भगवान, they have done 40 years का meditation that time, and that is called actual में samadhi. That is actual में the process of the samadhi, which is a few minutes of state of mind. It's a few minutes of state of mind, which is not, I think so. It's a little, difficult for us to get into that, because if we are staying in day-to-day life. But at least if you do a meditation, the positivity comes and your thought process starts ventilating, and that would be very helpful for our mind to get about it. Now, mind always relate with the emotions. Now, can someone tell me that how emotion changes as you process of aging? How your emotion changes with the process of aging? Agree. You're absolutely right. Definitely. Yeah, I agree. How to become a positive? How you will find out? Market में थोड़ी खड़े होते हैं. Sorry? Is it so easy? Is it easy to let go? then you are great.
You need to train your mind with that.
Mind to definitely goes with the train. What is the mind? Can I ask you, what is the mind?
No, I said we are flow of thought. And alien emotions.
Number of ideas or number of energy to pass sanskar.
According to me, mind is a muscle. Muscle. जितना उसको ट्रेनिंग दोगे जिस हिसाब का, उस हिसाब से वो एक्टिव करेगा. जिस टाइम आपने उसको ट्रेनिंग देना छोड़ दिया, वो ढीला ढाला हो जाएगा. The live example, you just see our actors. They do the gymming. Look at the muscle. But they stopped it. What will happen? Start losing everything. So it's a training. If you are talking about the let go, it is a training. Like today, if you see that Salman Khan and Hrithik Roshan, they have a beautiful muscles, they have this. But from how long they were practicing these muscles and how much they have to add and subtract in their lifestyle, that is also important. Still, anyone about that emotion here?
If you don't let go, you are into a problem. Accept it and let it go.
Is it so easy? That's what I'm asking.
I think,
As you age, you become mature and you react and respond in a different way.
How you become a mature? What is the definition of mature? One word. I just wanted one word. I would say that if you are really aged with this, the humble, wise, this has come with a maturity.
I feel the life teaches you to do all these things. And that's why I said you need accept.
Yes, boss. I think so. You are like unique. Honestly, I'm appreciating you that maybe you are 100, let's say you are the 10th person is like that way who really cultivate the let go system. Otherwise, it is not easy for let go. We don't let go our somebody's like, किसी ने ये किया, वो let go. Like example, like, if somebody's just pushed you, your reaction, then you think, oh, let go. But, I'm just saying, okay, your instant reactions definitely comes about it, But I feel, I'm not saying it is impossible, definitely, that's what I'm saying. 100 may say, 10 people has this let go system, but after a long time, so you are the one of the 10 people, which is really, but according to me, what my experience is in this profession, let go is not that easy. You start giving this, just allow your thoughts to go, everything. But somewhere your mind will stop. कहीं ना कहीं अटक जाता ही है. कितना भी करो. So the people says be positive. I ask them how to be positive. कैसे पॉजिटिव हो रहे हैं इन डे टू डे लाइफ में I want to ask you in your day to day life, what is the positiveness? How you get the positiveness?
See, basically everything begins from a thought. Okay? Now, if you have negative thoughts, there are ways and means of how you take
Sir,
those negative
1 minute. What do you mean by negative thoughts and what do you mean by positive thoughts?
For example, suppose you don't dislike a person, that is a negative thought. Okay?
It's my choice.
It's a feeling towards someone which is not good. That is a negative thought. Okay. Now, when you have these kind of negative thoughts, there are ways and means of looking at the same situation differently. What you're saying is you can't let go because you persist in looking at the situation in the same way. The mind has been looking at certain things in the same way, very difficult also to view differently. Now, if you start practicing looking at the same situation in a different way, then you start changing your thoughts.
Is it so easy to change? With the age, you will just see the changing of your vision. Maturity will allow you to do. This is a process. That's why I'm talking. We are talking about zenotology. Process. Aging with the process. Because